computer. We've got some folks that are playing ball, basketball, whatever is starting up again. Anyway, we want to make sure that they're still involved. So there's some that are going to be listening to this later. All right, so the pattern, there's so many concepts that go with it could be thinking, planning. That's what we're doing right now. Thinking, planning, living that plan, and then sesa is just like, what value do we get off it? Goodness. And then we clap our hands. We give joy to somebody. Today you're going to learn it. Remember that short sound, and then and then da. That means way good, way beautiful. I am so excited. And then Nijoniye is beautiful, right? Nijoniye. Nijoniye means way beautiful, way beautiful. So let's go through the process. So if somebody says, yeah, Johnny, the Quigo Olkil, that's what I said. The Quigo Olkil, what time is it? And I just go right here. And if I remember the word 6 or 2, 6, let's do 2. Let's do 6. Hastan, remember the word Hastan. And maybe it'd be good to put up the numbers 1 through 12 here for a moment. And let's have to find a little space for that. And let's kind of quickly back up a little bit here. Somewhere there is there we go. And there's a marker. And we need it full. So we need even more. Let's exit for a minute. So let's go back for a minute. Remember we had the mall is right here. So let's grasp this for a moment. Not all of it will be used, but some of it will be. Let's go here to here. Because the clock has 12 numbers, right? We'll just go here for a minute. Copy, and then we'll bring the other one. And we go down to our lesson again. Quick. And we'll have to find room. Room means right here. Room means right here. There you go. All we need is to see the numbers here. There it is. So what is this number? 12, right? And instead of saying 12 o'clock, we can say, when we're using the clock, if it's 12 noon, this is noon, the word for noon. Noon means ash. And then a little pause. Ash. Nit, a little pause. Nit is a short nit. So I have to put a little pause there. Ash nit. Ni, high tone it. Ni. And then another pause. And all you do is put it together. And this is high tone and nasal. I think that's what, yeah, there is. Okay, so there you go. Okay. I don't know if that will show up on our screen, but we can pull it over. All right, let's go back to learning. Just kiss, right? Kiss. Let's go back to view. There you go. So there's a view, and there is our pointer. So how do you say pointer now? Ben el claro would be like flashlight. It's kind of like a flashlight. And full. And you'll see a little bit right here. Okay, know what I did. I think it's just that. Okay, so let me move it up. Let me move it over just a little more. Just so we can have. Okay, let's try it now. So it's actually on the board and view and all right, here we go, here we go. So you'll probably remember some of the things that we learned in the past. Oops, sorry. Okay, here we go. Learn in the past. And let's see. Oh, I know what we can do. Hold on. I know what we can do. Here we go. I just want you to see, right? I just want you to see. So if I wanted you to see this, I can actually highlight it. So you can see the letters and let's say yellow. Okay. 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 You get an idea. All right, so anyway, view and slide. There it is. All right, so we can move this over here. So we're down here. Okay, so Asha right there. See, there's Asha right here. No, not there. We don't have Asha, so we don't need that. Naki. Let's see if there's a Naki. Yeah, right there, right there. This is Naki. So Nakiko. Back. Okay. Naki. Can you say K? Kind of have an idea of the K there. Nakiko olkil. That's for this one right here. Nakiko olkil. So somebody said, yeah, there, Mr. Long. And I don't have a watch, but my friend has a watch, right? And I go up to yeah, or they come up to me and they say, Mr. Long, the quigo olkil. The quigo olkil. And you come back and say, na kiko, na kiko olkil. And then they can just say, yeah, I'm going it. You know, they can go their way, right? Or let's do this one right here. And right here. Ashn, see? Ash. Ash together. Ash. And then n. This has a high tone. I didn't put a high tone, but it goes up. N. Ash. N. All that means is the sun went way up in the sky and it went way straight up ahead. It out of the east and the west, the sun went all the way up and it is now right above me, right in the center. That's what it means, center. So I could say, yeah, that's Sally. The quigo olkil. And Sally looks at her clock and she would say, Mr. Long, na kits ada. Oh no, not kits. Just extend the A. Ashnet ago olkil. It is noon time. Ashnet ago olkil. Then Johnny, yeah, Sally, yeah. So we're just building on a little bit more. Tzeda is a new word, and you can put a name there and then the cat. So that's building to the praise. All righty. Let's see if you have any questions, just type it into the chat. Yeah, chat. It's a good way to. That way we I, you, everyone sees the question. All right, so don't hesitate. All righty, so now let's just go through it. So we just did let's just stay right in the white till we go all the way down. This is a little different down here. These last two are a little different, but this is basically olkil. Go olkil. Sos it is right here. Sos it go olkil. Sos it go olkil. Down here, sebi go olkil. And right here, din right there, din go olkil. Yeah, so we don't say PM or AM. It's just numbers. It's numbers. Din go olkil. And it really doesn't matter. The clock just goes around clockwise. And the good thing about clockwise idea is this is also clockwise. It goes in a big gigantic circle. All right. So right here we say na kiko olkil. So we're just describing what's here, right? Na kiko olkil. Sos it. There's a sos. No. Hastago olkil. That's right here. Hastago olkil. Now, these are all I have to do is 8 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. What happens? What happens when it says 11:30? 11:30. So let's give you a taste of that one. And I'll have to turn this a little bit. I have to turn this a little bit. All right, so we're still here. So let's add to this one, go down next one. And let's say this clock right here, 11:30. So we're going to do 11. I think it's this one. Yeah, 11:30. And 11:30, that's all we need to say. We don't need to say AM, PM. Everybody knows nighttime is PM, daytime is AM. So, or afternoon, everybody knows that. So we don't need to say that in that rule. We do. I mean, I'll share with you that. For example, in the morning we say bina, or nighttime. All right. Anyway, we could say those things, but we don't. We just go right by the numbers. All right. So right here, 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. We know the word is tlatzata. So you have to say tlatzata. And then we have to say let the 11. And then we have to say do, see and half. It's kind of like 11 and a half is basically what you're saying. Notice we already learned this one. Little pause. This time it's stretched a little bit. Go. And then the rest is olkil, right? Go olkil. Let's put another pause so you know that there's olkil there. All right. And let's go to this last one. Look at this one. So if I had, let's do a little bitty here. So it'd be stop. Oh. Oops. It comes right down. Slides. Da. Go. Oh no. Do. Al. Ni. And then go. All right. All right. So that's what you're saying. Llatsada do alni. Llatsada do alni. They're a little bit small, maybe. Maybe we'll be okay. Should be a taste of that one. Now let's go to the last one. So this one has a 12. And let me see if I can show it to you big time. So you'll notice that this one has 12 and longhand, shorthand on the 12, longhand on the 15. Let's say 15. All right. From this time, this one will say, we know noon, right? Ash, ni, ash, ni. Oops, pause. And we'll make it small so you can see it. Let's see. Kind of see it. All right, here we go. Hopefully better. All right, ashni, ne, high tone, ashnitne, and we'll just put a little pause so you can actually read it. Ashnitne, and then and means high tone and nasal. Ashnitne, so that's 4 sounds. Now from there we say noontime and then 15 minutes after. This is how you say 15 minutes after. Ashna anto ashto is there always. And then we return. And if we know how to say 5, ash, la. And then 15, ashla, ada. All right, so that's what we would do. Let me just kind of pull it down a little bit so you can see it. There you go. So that's how that the two connected. Ashlina do ashlaata go. I don't. Olkil. The same thing we set up there. All right, so let's go back. Let's go back. So now olkil. Go olkil. Ashlina do ashlina you can say ashlina or ashlina you can put another 8. That one doesn't matter. Now let's just put another 8 there. Where's the little? Oh, there it is. Ashlina do. And these are kind of skinny, so I switch so you can see it, right? You can see it. Okay, so you can see it. So we'll practice a little bit more before we get started with anybody and everybody that wants to pass off today. All right, here we go. Okay, so there it is. And we'll get a little broad or bigger. You don't see about at the end and see doing it. All right, here. So now we know these half. So you can do like 8:30. Okay. Sebido asnigo olkil. Right, olkil. So we know that there's something after this one. All right. Over here, olkil. So if it's 4:30, we say this is a door. High tone. Do snigo or kill. Do snigo or kill. All right, do snigo. And 15 afternoon or 12. Ashlina ado ashla dako or kill. Ashla dako or kill. That be like over here or over there or kill. All right, so we can say 15 after 8. Sebito ashlaata. Go all kill. Or Bilaos kid is another way of saying it. I just say ashlaata. Go all kill. All right, there's two ways of saying it, but I like this is a shorter way. Okay. Any thoughts, questions? All right, let's practice. Let's practice. Here we go. Insert slide. Give us some wonderful marker. And if we need to use this, we'll use for. Okay. All righty. All right, so those are all our numbers. Ashlana ago all kill. So go all kill. Say B go all kill. D go all kill. Na kigo all kill. Hasta go all kill. That's at the do snigo. That's at the do snigo. Means 11:30. That's at the do snigo all kill. All right. So that's what we do. And then ashlan ado ashlaata. Ashlaata. Go all kill. Ashlaata go all kill. I think that will turn off by itself. Now, our plan. Our plan is we ask a question. And one of our classmates, let's see if Bailey's coming. Okay, Bailey's coming. Our classmate says, Charlene, Charlene, do quigo all kill. And I'll just put this right here. Charlene, do quigo all kill. And go ahead and answer.
Clayton.
Do quigo all kill.
Let's see, D to go all kill.
Yeah, Dida. Okay, Dingo is fine. Dida is fine also. Okay, Dingo all kill. And I said, so then there's only Charlene, all right, ask me a question. And I'll just put this on here.
Okay. Clayton, the quigo all kill.
Charlene, Bigo all kill. And then just praise.
So then there's Johnny yet. Clayton,
So that's the pattern. All right. Let's go ahead and do it because we're going to be repetitive. So even though you didn't get quite how it went, it's okay because we'll teach you. We'll go along the way. Your person that selected you will do or will teach us. Okay. Oh, let's do number 2 first before we start. All right. If you want to pass off today, one of these, either 1 or 2, doesn't matter. You decide. All right. So let's do this one just so everybody knows what's going on. Number 2, dak adingo all kill. Is it 4 o'clock now? Dak adingo all kill. And then you can say, adingo all kill. Let's say it is 4 right now. Adingo all kill. That's what your friend's going to say. And you're just going to praise them and say, it's Johnny, whoever. Yeah. But let's say, let's say they said the wrong thing here. Let's say it was really 4 o'clock, but they said 7 o'clock. So if I said that adingo all kill, and they said, Dingo or kill, and we knew it was. Oh, sorry, go back. It's 4 o'clock right now, but your friend said 7 o'clock. All right. Yeah, there, Johnny. So it go or kill. See, that's wrong. We're saying 4, but I said 7. So go or kill. And you as a friend was saying do so it go or kill. It is not 7 o'clock. I corrected and say dingo or kill. Oh, yeah, and there's only a yeah. Either way, you can get to Tsudanjaniet or through here to Tsudanjaniet. Yeah, either way. Alrighty, let's get started here. Let's go back to the top here. Jordan, yeah, Jordan. We'll start with this one. Jordan, the Quigo or kiss.
What?
There's Jordan. Oh, you're just saying yes. Yeah, you're not ready. Are you ready to pass on?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there's Jordan. We'll start with this one right here. This one that I'm doing. The Quigo or kiss. And there's your answer. You have to answer me.
The Testigo Ocus.
Så det går jeg. Så den Johnny Jordan, all right. Jordan, go ahead and do this one right here. That's your time, but say Mr. Long or Clayton.
Yate, Mr. Long.
Now do this one right here. Use this.
The Quigo Ocus.
Jordan. Asnitna ago. Sorry. There it is right there. Asnitna ago or kiss.
Listenano Ocus.
And you just say, just praise me. So then there's only
Johnny.
Mr. Long. Yeah.
Mr. Long.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. So that was a Gordon tie. But now whoever I do next, then that person that I do will do somebody else. All right. Is it Janessa? James. Yeah, that's Janessa. The Quigo or kiss right here. The Quigo or kiss.
Yet, Mr. Long. D go os kiss.
So then there's only Genesis. Yeah. Genesis, you say out there to somebody.
Yet, my Willie. The quigo os kiss. Yeah.
Oh, let's do this one. Let's do this one. Okay. Is it Maya? Genesis says the Quigo al kiss Maya.
Not go or kiss.
What do you say, Genesis? What do you say? Praise.
Sedang Johnny.
Maya. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So Maya, your turn. Choose another person.
Iad Caelan. De Quigo Olkis.
Oh, right here. Is it Kaylee or Kayla?
Caelan.
Kaylan, Yat engine. Somebody said Yat to you. You're thinking about this one right here. The Quigo Olkis.
Hast Go Olkis.
Maya, praise.
Ida Nijoniet.
Kayla. Yeah. You can say the next word. Kayla. Kayla. Yeah. All right. Kayla, Nanana. Kayla, say Yat to somebody. And we'll do this one.
Iad Atlantis Yed. De Quigo Olkis.
Sebigo Olkis. Sida Nijaniya Keelan Ahia.
Good job, Virginia. All right. Let's see. Who was it that answered? Is it Leticia?
Okay.
You
Yate
decide.
Jermaine Diquigo Olkis.
Yat Oh. Go Olkid. Sida.
Oh. Sida Nijaniya Jermaine Ahia.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Jermaine, your turn. Haida. Who you pick?
Yat Jermaine.
See someone else's name.
What?
Oh.
Let's do this one. See if we can do this one.
So what do I say? Yat Jermaine.
The
The
Quigo.
Quigo Olkid. Tada do Ahugo.
Let's ada do alinigo of kiss.
Uh-huh. Good, John. Oh, your praise. Haida.
Donnie Jermaine. Yeah. Love you.
Okay. All right. Your turn, Hasti. And we'll do this one right here.
Okay. Yat white mini goats. The quigo of kiss.
Na kepo okay.
Uh-huh.
Sida Najoni why ayahe.
Uh-huh. Wyatt, your turn. Let's do this one.
Jared, we
Is it Jerain or Khayla?
Boy. Go Olkid.
Sita Najoni Jared
Okay.
Okay. All right. Let's do this one.
Okay.
Maybe.
Yata Tier de Quigo Olkid.
Sebigo Olkis.
Da Najoni Tier. Yeah.
Okay, Jared, your turn. Let's
Okay.
do this one right here.
Yate Ladanin. Say Hasta.
Hasa do Hoskid.
Praise.
Okay. Sidat Najoniya Ladanin Ahia.
Ah, yeah. All right, let's do this one right here.
Yate Leah.
Quigo.
The Quigo Niket.
Nakeko oskit.
Just say this one.
Okay. So then there's only
Say
Zita Nojoni Leah Ahihet.
Leah, your turn. Leah, let's do this one right here.
Yate Cheyenne the Quigo oskit.
Aslında go orkid.
There. Praise.
Sida Najoni Cheyenne.
Cheyenne, Nana. Let's do this one right here.
Cassie, the queen go orchid.
Turn on your mic, Cassie. And maybe her mic's not working. I don't know. Cassie, can you hear us? We hear sounds, but no voice. Dingo orchid. Praise.
Go orchid. Sita Najoni Cassie Ayaha.
Cassie, your turn. Cassie, let's do this one.
David. The queen go orchid.
Wait, did you say David?
So
Just Najoni David Ayaha.
okay. So I think we heard you.
Okay.
And then we
Yeah.
just praised you. All right, give us a question. Let's use this one right here.
Who asked the question before me?
Somebody that hasn't had a turn, can you put your name up there? Or just say Brady.
Here. Yat Bailey. Okay. Okay. Did Quigo Okish?
Say that again. Sorry.
Yat Bailey, the Quigo Okish.
Oh. Dingo Okish.
Okay, and then it's Ida and Joniet, Bailey, Ahiet.
Yeah.
Yes. All right. Let's see. Is there anybody that didn't get a chance to do it? I think we got everybody that's been on. Hey, Arnold. Good job. So I couldn't do this last one because the screen's not the screen unless I turn it off here. Unless I exit. Okay, so this last one, Clock also messed up here. Okay, 12:15. Some people say that's another way of saying it. All right, anybody have any questions? If not, I will prepare another lesson. We just did this one. We have this is the same one, but we'll go ahead and skip that one. We'll go to what we call, you see a box and you see an object like a ball. There's a ball. And the ball, we will actually say the ball's right here. And we'll ask the question of Had, where is the ball? And you have to say Baka, Biya, Binet, Biyi. Somebody is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5. 5 is Biyi is inside. Okay, so we'll practice. We'll do that next week. Hagoshi, I'll see you guys. I'll go on it.
I haven't done it yet.
Oh, really? Who are you?
I'm Peyton.
Peyton, yeah, they're Peyton. Let's turn it back on here. Sorry. Okay, here we go. Peyton. Share. All right, let's go back to the slot. And let's go back, turn it back on. And you know.
Mr. Long, I haven't done it either.
Oh, can you guys do it together? One of
Yeah.
you begin, then the other one will do it. All right, who wants to begin?
I'll go first.
Okay,
If you want.
let's do this one right here. All right, what's your
Do I
friend's
ask me to
name?
go? Or does she ask me to go?
What was
Oh.
your name?
Harley.
Harley. Say Yate Harley.
Yat e Harley the Quico Odkill.
Sevigo or Kirch.
Uh-huh. Praise.
It's it's the Najonia. Was it Harley?
Yeah.
It doesn't show you
Harley.
Harley.
Yeah.
Ah, Harley,
Okay.
you're reverse it. Ask.
Okay. Yate Peyton the Quigo or Kirch.
Good right here. And go.
Ashley go Odkill.
And then go. Oh, praise.
Okay. Edan Nijoni Peyton Ahayet.
Uh-huh. Very good. All right, I think we got it. Anybody? Last chance. And then yeah. Hey, Kat. Thanks for letting me know. We got it all. How going it?